Ciao, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're learning about colors. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for blue in isiXhosa?
Zuba.
Very good. Zuba. And what is the word for red in isiXhosa?
Bombu.
That's right. Bomvu. And what is the word for yellow?
Mtubi.
That's right. Mtubi. Now, what is the word for green?
Luhlaza.
Very good. Luhlaza. And pink in isiXhosa?
Pinky.
That's the easy one. Pinky. And what is orange in isiXhosa?
Orangey.
Very good. Orangey. And now you know the colors in isiXhosa. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Isale kakuhle.